In the dense jungle, a troop of baboons feeds unaware of the deadly predator nearby. A tiger lurks in the shadows, muscles coiled for a perfect strike. The tiger moves silently, every step calculated. The baboons sense tension, tails flicking, heads turning. Danger is near and the jungle holds its breath. With explosive speed, the tiger strikes. Baboons scatter, leaping and screaming through the trees. Claws swipe, teeth flash, chaos erupts in the jungle canopy. The tiger snatches a baboon in mid-leap, but the troop fights back with teeth and claws. Branches snap, leaves fly, and the battle becomes a frenzy of predator versus prey. The jungle shakes with every clash. The troop retreats to higher branches, regrouping. The tiger growls, frustrated yet vigilant. Survival in the jungle is a constant test. Both predator and prey remain fierce and determined. Who wins this deadly jungle ambush, the stealthy tiger or the clever baboon troop? Comment your answer, hit like, and subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more untamed battles.